How to do the swipe photos on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Then go to the Photos section as shown. Select the photos you want, and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. Then edit them as you like using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Next. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings. Tap on the description box to add a title. For example, Photo Swipe. Then tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully posted these pictures to TikTok. You can swipe the photos to view all of them. Following these steps, you can easily do the swipe photos on TikTok.